Okay, Joshua, I just wanted to make this video for you so that you can kind of see exactly what I expect you to do on all of your lessons. You're going to go over this video with your mom so that y'all can see exactly what I expect. Now, these are all the assignments that I have scheduled to go out. This is tomorrow's science activity. This is what you'll see when you open it, okay? You'll have your problem solving where you have to read the question. You have to do the cube strategy, which if you've been doing your lessons, you know what the cube strategy is. It's circle your numbers, underline your question, box the important words, eliminate what you don't need, and then solve it in the UPSC. Okay, U stands for understand, all right, P stands for plan, solve, and then check. All right, so you have to fill out this whole thing, and I should see where you're using the cube strategy in your problem. This whole thing should be filled out. Then on the next page, all right, you're going to, this is a video, that's why this is here, and you'll hit play. It says use your notes in your journal, go back to your Wednesday math lesson in Seesaw to help you, all right, and you're going to be making me a flyer, all right, and it's going to be about Matthew's family. You're going to attach a picture on the next page, so you don't have to attach anything on this page. That's why you have to read every instruction on the page. So then you'll go to this page, and you're going to attach a picture of the flyer that you created. So there will be a space where you can take a picture with your computer, and you're going to take a picture, and you're going to attach it here. So then when you're finished, you're going to go back through every slide and make sure if I'm asking for something on that page that you're doing it, okay? When you go through your assignments and maybe you're going too quickly and you're not paying attention, every page is really important, okay? On every single page, there is something I want you to learn or do. You have to watch all the videos that I put on there because that would be like you in class, me doing the lesson with you. And if you're skipping over the videos, then you're not learning how to do it, and you're just having to guess at how to do it. All right, so you have to watch the videos that I upload also. So make sure every single one that you're going and looking at it. All right, so like this one, this is tomorrow's science activity. All right, there's nothing, when you click on it, it's just going to give you instructions. And it says right here, you will go to STEMscopes and complete the post assessment. This will be the second half of your test grade. Now let me look and see if you did the post assessment for Thursday, or the part for Thursday. I'm pretty sure you did this time. Let me check. Nope, you haven't done it yet. So guys, there's a spot in your class link where it says STEMscopes, one of the little apps. You click on it, and there's assignments there that I've given you. Now, there's two different assignments, one for Thursday, one for Friday. One's a post-assessment, and I want to say the other one might be called a concept attainment quiz. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but there's two parts to the test. Okay, and this is a test grade that I'm going to take for the 6 weeks. So you have to go in STEMscopes. This is, remember, it tells you right here, go in STEMscopes and do those. All right, let's look what else we got. So you have that science, and that was math. Where's Friday's language arts? Let's look at that one. Okay, in Friday's language arts, here's your activity. You have to, it says, first, circle 3 mistakes in the sentence. Then after you do that, rewrite it correctly. You've got to write it right down here. I should see where you've rewritten it correctly. Okay, underline the simple subject, circle the simple predicate. On every question, one word should be underlined and one should be circled, and that will tell me if you know what the subject and predicate is. All right, on this, you're going to break apart your words right here into syllables. Tell me how many syllables there are. And then get on the computer, use the dictionary on the computer, go into Google or something, and look up online dictionary, type these words in, and type over here what they mean. Use their text tool and type it in. That should be all the way filled in. Then you go to the next page. Okay, you're going to go to EPIC. I gave you the class code. It's QQY6895. You have to do this during the day or it's not going to let you get onto EPIC. You cannot do it at night, and you can't do this on the weekend because it's only a school day program. All right, and you're going to, this is the little app and what it looks like in your ClassLink. You're going to click on it. It's going to say, your teacher has assigned you a book. It's going to pop up when you find your name. Click on the book. I'm pretty sure it'll read to you because this is a read to me book. All right. And then you have this chart to fill out. You have to tell me after listening or reading that book, what was the author's purpose and how do you know? What was the author's message in the book? How do you know? How is this book similar and different from Tacky the Penguin, which is another book I've assigned you this week, when it comes to author's purpose? And I'm looking for things from the book, specific things, okay? This whole chart has to be filled out. And then on this last one, I gave you a video, so you're just going to click on the link right here, this little link, and it's going to tell you, you should have been working on a paper, a writing about a special moment with your family, okay? And you should have been working on that for probably almost 2 weeks. We've been working on that. So if you've been working on it little by little, it won't be hard. But if you're like, oh man, I haven't been doing that, that's going to be difficult, okay? And this shows you how to get into your Google Drive and type it and upload it and send it to me. And that's due tomorrow, all right? So hopefully that helps. You need to make sure every single page is filled out if I'm asking for something before you submit it. All right, so that's a preview of tomorrow's lesson. So you have social studies. That was a project this week. It is due tomorrow, where you are creating something to tell me about the 5 Native American tribes that we took notes over. And that is due tomorrow also. That was, I think I assigned it maybe Tuesday, and I gave you 4 days to work on it. And that's also due tomorrow. So make sure all of these things are complete before you submit them. So I hope that helps, just kind of walking it through the lesson with you. But maybe, I know Grandma's staying with you, your grandmother, during the day. Maybe before you hit the submit button, you could be like, hey, Grandma, will you come look at this and make sure everything is finished? And she can kind of check and make sure you've done it all, so that I don't have to keep sending it back to you, because I know that's frustrating. But you've got to make sure it's all done, okay? All right, hope that helps.